to unplug the aux cable adapter, which is into a 2012 Lancer ES model, which should be here, but the plug itself was like plug just upper side. You can't take it out, so it's a easiest way. Just this is the way, this is the panel. You have to just take it out, and this is just easy. Just pull it off, and over here, if you just take it out, this one, there is one screw up, so you have to unscrew this thing, and it will come off. After that, the main thing is the 3 screw, so you need to just unplug this 3 screw, downside here, and here. This is a simple step. Just you need to have one screwdriver, which was plus and minus point, and after this you need to take the whole system out. For this one, just press this one a bit here. It will easiest way, and just gently pull off your 2 hand. Easiest way. Pull off is this one. And there is one wire over here. You need to take it out, otherwise you can't. Can't take this one over here like this. Here you go. And there are 4 screws, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So just take it out as normal. 1, 2, over here. Unscrew it. Unscrew it. And gently, be gentle. This is main things. So there you go. This is the one. You have to take it out, and now you can go throughout this to unplug this aux cable adapter. And this is the adapter cable which can be used for aux cable, to join up the aux cable over here. This is the one. That's it. Thank you so much. This is a simple way, guys. Thanks.